Huh? What's that noise? Oh no! Goblins! Ah! Ghost train! Okay, Ruth. Hello there. Say, what's in your hands? Oh, okay then. Hi, I'm Clear. And you are? I don't know. Isn't that a little mean? Well, I guess I see your point. There's only one thing I do. I'll have to scare off those teenagers. Don't be such a scaredy cat. I only want to tell you to not throw eggs anymore. No, we'll not. Ooh, I should have done that. Ruth, you wouldn't believe what happened. Yes, I'm sorry. But I have good news. I scared the teenagers off. Yes! You should have seen them running around like chickens when I chased them. But Diesel told me to scare him and chase them. Oh, I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to be rude. I was only... We did it because they caused trouble in our home. Yes, man. I know. Ooh, what about a monster? Gotcha. Hi, Diesel. Guess what? We hold a hologram to scare those teenagers. I guess you were right about the scaring part of your plan. Happy Halloween,